Hello and welcome to my course. This is Jace from the Funded Trading Group. So in this lesson is a completely free lesson. I will guide you one of the most strong methods to use every strategies in the technical analysis. That is a multiple time frame. So in this course, the first thing I will guide you what is a multiple time frame from the basic to the advanced levels. The first thing is the multiple time frame, and the second one I will explain to you how to choose number of time frames based on very important factors is the trading style and your personality. And the next one is what is top down and the down top, or you also call it the bottom up analysis in the multiple time frame. The next one is which one is better, top down or the bottom up, and when we need to use the top down and when we need to use the bottom up in the tradings to optimize the reward break ratio and also optimize your win rate. And the next one also is very important and also the strongest power of this lesson, of this course, is the market cycles to connect many time frames together while you analyze. And the last one is how to analyze 3 time frames with top down and bottom up. And you can take the quiz after important lessons to check about your understanding. And this multiple time frame method is very strong if you're trading with the price action, key level strategies, supply demand, and smart money concept. So hope to see you in this course.